How to fix push notification on Tinder app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your push notifications for your Tinder app. So without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Tinder application from your device and get logged into your Tinder account. Now tap on the profile icon on your bottom right. From here, you will see your profile page. Tap on the settings icon on your top right, and under app settings, you will see notifications. From there, tap on push notifications at the second option. Here you will see all the notifications that you are getting notified. For instance, new matches, messages. In case you would like to not get notified for these, go ahead and untoggle these. As you do so, it will land onto your device's setting page. From here, untoggle this option of allow notifications. And once you do so, this is how you fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.